Having this is like a bridge. The meat is cooked, it's put in there, and then the assembling person, when he's ready, takes it out. And I tell this to all my friends in this industry, and I always say, I don't understand how you guys can survive without that. My name is Shaf Khan, and welcome to Munchies. So Munchies is a fast casual concept where we specialize in premium fast food, most notably burgers, shakes, and tenders. We focus most of our attention on two elements: the food and the feeling that we give to our visitors and our guests. When I think of equipment, I think of longevity, reliability, support. There's been times where we have tried to maybe go for a budget brand. When we started 8 years ago, we needed to be like that because we were new in the business. But as the years have progressed, our goal has always been, how can we upgrade our equipment set so that it has our back during the busy times. We've used these hot holding cabinets for 7.5 years now, so we're well versed in this piece of equipment. The Duke, I like that touchscreen display. It's a bit easier to press a button on there. It's easier to configure, whether you want it crispy or whether you want it moist. The lids on top of the drawers, they were made out of metal or stainless steel. It gives a consistent slide in and out, and I just felt it's more robust. Things don't break as much, it's more robust piece of kit. And it's for these little elements that we just thought, let's go to the Duke. And it's been fantastic. It's been absolutely, incredible. Our food stays warm. Arguably better than other pieces of kit we've used, in the past. Very happy with it. With our multiple sites that we're looking to open, we'll stick a USB into our current Duke unit, and when we receive the delivery of the new unit, plug it in, turn it on, put the USB in, and the job should be a good one. So easy peasy. If you guys are ever in Doncaster, Rotherham, or in Sheffield, we have London Road, Darnall, and also Halifax Road. Allow us to take care of you, allow us to serve you and give you the best tasting premium fast food you've probably ever had.